Hi there, Steve Smith, Southern Maine Motors in Saco, Maine. We are your used truck superstore here in the greater Portland metro area. If you're looking for a pre-owned truck, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, extra cab, regular cab, we have what you're looking for. Vehicles such as Nissan Titans, Dodge Dakota, Dodge Ram 1500, Ford F-150, Chevy 1500, Silverados. We have the trucks you're looking for. Stop in today, US Route 1 in Saco, Maine. Give us a call in advance and check on availability and schedule a test drive. 207-282-4101. Or you can see us on the internet as well at southernmainemotors.com.